Join me as I dive into the challenge of discovering what truly makes family traditions so special. Family traditions are those special rituals and practices that are passed down through generations, bringing people together and creating lasting memories. They're a big part of what makes family life so rich and meaningful. Whether it's a holiday dinner, a weekly game night, or a unique cultural practice, these traditions have a way of building connections and making us feel like we're part of something bigger than ourselves. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life and let technology take precedence. We're constantly glued to our screens, and it's tempting to sacrifice quality time with loved ones for the sake of convenience. But the thing is, family traditions are more important than ever. They offer a chance to unplug, bond with each other, and create memories that'll last a lifetime. The challenge, of course, is finding the time and energy to prioritize them. Maintaining family traditions can be tough, especially when everyone has different schedules and interests. You might have some family members who are super into a particular tradition, while others are less enthusiastic. And let's not forget about the logistics, planning, coordinating, and making sure everyone is on the same page. It's enough to make you wonder if it's all worth it. Despite the challenges, many families manage to keep their traditions alive and thriving. They might have to get creative, adapt to changing circumstances, or find new ways to make the tradition work. But the end result is worth it: a stronger sense of connection, a deeper understanding of each other, and a treasure trove of happy memories. Some families have holiday celebrations that are legendary, while others have weekly rituals that are simple but meaningful. You might have a family tradition that involves making a special dish together, or going on an annual trip to a favorite destination. Whatever it is, it's the thought and love behind it that makes it truly special. For example, my own family has a tradition of making homemade pasta every Christmas Eve. It's a labor of love that takes all day, but it's an event we all look forward to. We laugh, we chat, and we create something delicious together. It's a tradition that's been passed down from my grandparents, and I'm so grateful to be able to share it with my own kids. Sharing stories and experiences like this can have a profound impact on our relationships and emotional well-being. When we feel connected to our heritage and to each other, we're more likely to feel a sense of belonging and purpose. Family traditions have a way of bringing us closer together, even when we're apart. In the end, it's clear that family traditions play a huge role in fostering bonds and creating a sense of belonging. By prioritizing these special rituals and practices, we can build stronger relationships, create lasting memories, and leave a lasting legacy for generations to come. If you've got a favorite family tradition, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below and share your story. And if you're interested in more videos about family dynamics, be sure to check out my next video, where we explore the power of family storytelling.